everyone, this is DIY number 4 of the DIY hair mask series, and today I'm using avocados by themselves. So let's get into it. I'm going to use the blender cup and add some water because the avocados need a little help during blending. So I brought these avocados maybe 3 days before filming this, so I thought they would be ripe enough in time for the mask. But little do I know, they are still ripening. And it was very hard for me to cut them open in half, first of all. Usually you could just easily cut an avocado open. They're this nice dark brown or dark green color. Like, I thought it was time. And like, they were ripe. Like, I thought I chose the ripest. But it looks like these were still ripening, which meant the meat of the avocado was still like hard, so I couldn't really get a lot out of the avocados that I have here, and I actually only ended up getting or using 2 out of the 4 avocados, which is very sad. However, I did manage to make it stretch by adding some water, so I was able to cover my entire head. But just keep that in mind whenever you do your DIY hair mask. When you're using avocados, make sure it's ripe enough. And yeah, so you see here, I'm just struggling. Just like, it's like that one was a good one. Okay, this is the last good one. And then the rest were all so hard. Okay, it looks like he's dead. But it looks like this one, I was like, I don't feel like fighting with these avocados anymore. So I didn't fight with them, and I did not use them. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna blend it in a blender cup. And I like to blend it, then take it off the blades, and then put it back on, so if any chunks are caught in the blades, they get blended up. And then I just let that blend for a little while I cleaned up. And then I did the little chunk check one more time. I shook it up and then pressed it back down and then let it blend. And now it should be nice and creamy. So I'm going to get my nut milk bag, put it in a bowl, and then pour the blended avocado into the nut milk bag. And now I'm going to strain the mask to make sure that there's no chunks or anything that causes flakes in my hair mask. This nut milk bag is only $6 for a 2-pack on Amazon. Definitely invest in it if you plan to do DIY hair masks for your hair. You don't want any chunks or unnecessary flakes in your hair from your mask. So now I'm going to go upstairs and shampoo my hair, and I'll link down below the shampoo that I'm using. Always shampoo your hair before using any hair mask. The hair mask is meant to condition your hair and replace the deep conditioner step, so that's why I'm shampooing first. So I'm just going to cleanse my hair really good and then rinse it out with warm water. Actually, when I was done rinsing, I still had shampoo in, so I had to go back and re-rinse out my hair because there was shampoo in the middle of my hair. So once I was done that, then I was able to apply the mask. Aww. Aww. Hey y'all, okay, so I am now applying the mask. Oh, y'all, look at the lid, the curls, and they're so healthy. Healthy and limp. I never thought I'd see my hair like this, ever. I wouldn't have ever imagined it. Okay, besides that, this is the avocado mask. And you see, it was pretty easy to make. Just make sure your avocados are ripe. By ripe, I mean soft but still green. No brown spots. You can't really tell the color inside unless you open it. But if you squeeze it, you can tell if it's still hard or soft. I probably brought mine too late, so yeah. Alright, so I've done the back. So I've rinsed out the mask. Come on, y'all have to try these masks. They're for your own benefit and they're inexpensive. So thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more like this on my channel and I'll see you guys on the next one.